Guys, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Happy Sunday, guys. Today is Sunday. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you all how to make fenugreek powder. Turn your fenugreek powder to your hair conditioner. It's very simple, very effective, and very good. I normally do this once in a week, and it's very good for my hair, because the last time why I had to make this is because there was a time when my hair was really breaking. There was a product I was using at that time, and my hair was breaking like mad, and I didn't even know what to do. I bought a lot of product outside. None of them worked, so I had to do some research about fenugreek powder, fenugreek seed, and I saw a lot of things, a lot of hair benefits, and I had to try it in a way that I will be able to use it as my hair conditioner, as also as my hair oil. So this is the oil. I've already made this. The first time I made the video, I was editing it. I didn't know what happened. I just clicked something and I mistakenly deleted the original video, and it was really hard for me. So I made this at that time, this oil, and it's almost finished. I'll be using this on my hair. This is the fenugreek seed oil. The process is quite long, so I won't be able to explain how I make this oil in this video, but I'm going to make another video on how to make your fenugreek seed oil. So this is the oil, and now I'm going to show you all how to make the hair conditioner with fenugreek powder. We're just going to be needing 2 ingredients to make this. We're going to be needing coconut oil and fenugreek powder, which is very simple and very effective. If your hair is breaking and you want to stop, you are looking for a remedy or recipe on how to stop your hair from breaking, or you want to grow your hair very fast, this video is for you guys. Please, I want to tell you guys something. This video is 100% real. See, I'm not going to exaggerate about this stuff, and I'm going to make this and I'm going to use it on my hair on this video, so you guys can see how I normally do it, because I don't want you guys to come to me, or some of you will be saying, no, this will not work, why didn't you use it on your hair? No, I'm going to use this on my hair, and you guys is going to see it. And as well, I want you guys to try out this remedy, and I promise you guys, this is going to work for you. It's going, even see, it's going to work. There's no two ways about it. You don't need to stress yourself, you don't need to think twice. Just try this. If your hair is natural or no natural hair, try this remedy. You will definitely enjoy it, and you will still come back to my channel and tell me thank you. All right, without further ado, let me not talk too much in this video. Let me show you guys how I make this, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and as well, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Alright guys, so this is how I make my hair conditioner, fenugreek hair conditioner. So this is all we'll be needing. We'll just be needing a few ingredients to make this hair conditioner. This fenugreek powder is going to help your hair grow very fast, and as well stop your hair from breaking. If you have breaking hair, so this is going to help it stop from breaking, and as well it's going to thicken your hair. It's very good for natural hair. This is one of my secrets recipe I normally use for my natural hair. So it's very simple to make, and very easy, and very effective as well. So this is my 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder already blended. If you know that you have the seed, blend it very well and sieve before you use it. And then I'll be making use of coconut oil. If you know that you don't have coconut oil, you can make use of avocado oil, you can make use of almond oil, you can make use of argan oil. Those 3 oils are very good for natural hair. They help your hair to grow, and as well they stop it from breaking, and they thicken the hair as well. So how we're going to make this is, this is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. And then I have here my warm water. This is my lukewarm water. Please, your water shouldn't be too hot. It should be very warm, not too hot, not too cold. So all I'm going to do is to measure in 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek powder. This is 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek powder. That's enough. Please do not use too much. Make sure you are making a quantity that you'll be able to finish at once, because once I ferment this in water, it's going to be very thick, and it's going to be much more than this. So this is my measurement cup. I'm going to be making use of 1 cup of water. So this is my 1 cup of water. Then I pour it in. And I stir. One tablespoon of fenugreek powder, one cup of water, which is about 237 ml. So this is how it looks right now. Then I'm going to add in my coconut oil. So I'm going to add in just 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. All right, then you stir. All right guys, so I'm going to keep on stirring this. Stir this for about 30 seconds, then you leave it to ferment very well. So this is going to thinking, it's going to thinking up. So let's just leave it for about 10 minutes. Then we'll sieve and start that off. Then you can use it on your hair. So this is my container. I'm going to be storing this in this container, so I'll be able to spray it on my hair very well. If you know that you don't have this type of container, especially the one that have this head, you can just leave it in the same place you use in mixing. Then you can just apply it on your hair like that, because sometimes when it's too thick and if you store it in your container, it's going to cake up and you won't be able to spray it on your hair, and you have to add more warm water and stir before you can spray it on your hair. So I just thought I should let you guys know about that. So let's just wait for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and check. All right guys, so this is how it looks now. See, it's very thick now. I couldn't leave it up to 10 minutes, so I just had to sieve. This is how it looks. So the reason why we'll be sieving this is because of all these chunks here. So you wouldn't want this to be in your hair because it's going to be hard for you to comb out. So we have to sieve it. Please get a very tiny sieve to sieve this. All right, it's coming out. So this is the reason why I said you shouldn't use more than 1 tablespoon, because even this one is even too much. As you guys can see, this is how it looks. It looks slimy. Yeah, it's kind of slimy. So all right, so this is okay. All right guys, so this is the hair conditioner. So I'm going to shake this before applying it on my hair. Make sure you shake very well. Make sure your own might be thicker than this, but do not bother yourself. Add more warm water to mix it up before you use it. This is going to act as a steamer. So I'm going to spray this on my hair for about 30 to 1 hour before I rinse it off. And when you want to rinse, please use warm water, don't use cold water. So this is how my hair is, guys. Let me come closer so you guys can see it. So this is it. My hair is kind of dark, a little bit, but not really that dark. So I've already sprayed my hair with water. If you know that your hair is dirty, please make sure you wash your hair before you use this. Wash your hair before you use this and just dry it and leave a little bit of water, or you spray it with water, because by the time you apply this conditioner on your hair, I don't want you to use shampoo or use anything to wash your hair. Just use warm water to rinse your hair and you are good to go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to spray this on my hair. Make sure you spray it very well to comb. After you apply this, comb your hair and see how it's very easy for you. Should I put some down? going to do, I'm going to tie it with my band. Then I use my shower cap to cover it up. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on for about an hour, then I'll show you guys after I wash it off. Alright guys, so I'm done washing my hair, and this is it. I also twist it. I have to do this off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. It's already long enough though, but this is it. So you guys see how shiny my hair is looking. That's because of the coconut oil that I added to the conditioner. So this is it. My hair is not really that long, so this is how long my hair is. So this is one of the DIY remedy that I use to take care of my natural hair, and it has been really great. So if you want to do this, try it out and let me know if you do, and let me know if it works for you. So after I do this, the next thing I normally use is this fenugreek oil. So I wasn't able to show you guys how I make this, but if you know that you are interested, you want to know how to make fenugreek oil for natural hair, please let me know. Just comment down below so I will know if you guys are interested. So what I'm going to do is just to put this on my scalp and massage it in very well. So that's it. So if you know that you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below if there's anything you want me to know. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.